ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬም ሌላ ጥያቄ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። Let us see together. If f is a real function defined by this one, and then show that f of g of x is equals 3 times f of x plus 1 over f of x plus 3. What meant by real function? Real function ማለት ነው ብለናል. As we are familiar, a function f is a real function. That means the domain and range of the function are subset of real numbers. A real function means domain of our f is subset of a real number. At the same time, the range of our function f also that is subset of a real number. If that's so, we call these functions are real function. Real function ማለት ይሄ. Because of that, if f of x is given in the form of this one, then we'll try to show that f of 2x is equal to this ይሄ መሆኑን ማሳየት ነው ዋናው ኤማችን. How can we show this? To show this, we can have what? f of x equals x minus 1, x plus 3. So we can express x in terms of f of x. x in terms of f of x express ማድረግ እንችላለን. But that f of x is equals to x minus 1 over that is x plus 1. Here we have f of x, here we have 1. We can crisscross. ይሄን crisscross እናደርግ ምን ይሆናል? This is f of x times x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1. As got finally, in terms of f express ስላደረግ it is better to x in terms of f of x express ማድረጉ የተሻለ ይሆናል ማለት ነው. To show this one ይሄን ለማሳየት ለምን f of 2x in terms of f of x ስለተገለጸ ማለት ነው. Now let's come to here. Distribute this one over addition, multiplication over addition ስናደርግ f of x times x plus f of x is equals to x minus 1 ይሆናል. Then collect scenario, this becomes, let's take this x to the left side ስንወስድ this is f of x times x minus x is equals to ይሆናል negative 1 f of x to the right ስንወስደው it is minus f of x ይሆናል. እዚህ ጋር ምን አለን? የጋራ x የጋራ ይኖራል. x ን የጋራ ስንወስድ it becomes f of x minus 1 is equals to minus f of x minus 1 ይሆናል. Now to solve x, we divide both sides f of x minus 1. ስናካፍል it becomes x is equals to negative f of x minus 1 over here is f of x minus 1. Here. What's next? We can rearrange this one. This shows that x is equals to f of x plus 1 over what? Over 1 minus f of x. ይሄው ለምን የኛው both numerator no the denominator by negative ስናባዛ this becomes f of x plus 1 over 1 minus f of x ይሆናል ማለት ይሄን after that what is next? So from this what is f of 2x? When substitute here f of 2x becomes we substitute here f of x is equal to x minus 1 which is equals to twice x minus 1 over twice x plus 1 here ይሄ ይኖርናል ማለት እዚህ ጋር ስንተካ 2x ስንተካ it becomes 2x minus 1 over 2x plus 1 ይሆናል። ነገር ግን x ማለት f of x plus 1 over 1 minus f of x ስለሆነ x ቦታ ላይ ይሄንን እንተካለን ማለት but that this is equals to again this is equals 2 into f of x plus 1 over 1 minus f of x minus 1 over it is twice into x means f of x plus 1 over 1 minus f of x plus what next? There is 1. In solve scenario, what next? Simplify this one. In simplify scenario, this is equals to twice of f of x plus 2 over 1 minus f of x minus here is 1 over the denominator becomes here is twice of f of x plus 2 over 1 minus f of x plus here is 1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው. After that take the LCM for denominator, LCM for denominator ስንወስድ here is 1, here is also 1. So 1 minus f of x divided by 1 means what? That is the same 1 minus f of x times negative 1, but for the case of this one it is 1. So which is equals to twice of f of x plus 2 minus 1 minus f of x over here is 1 minus f of x divided by which is equals the LCM again 1 minus f of x. So this is twice of f of x plus 2 plus 1 minus f of x divided by 1 means 1 minus f of x. So 1 minus f of x times 1, it is 1 minus f of x divided by, again, 1 minus f of x. And 1 minus f of x must be different from 0. When you come to here, we can cancel this by this one. What next? This shows that twice of f of x plus 2 minus 1 minus f of x, it becomes what? Plus f of x only. Plus f of x, which is equals to twice of x plus f of x, that is 3f of x. Then 2 minus 1, it is plus 1. 2 minus 1. The next one, twice of x plus 2 plus 1 minus f of x. Then 2f of x minus f of x means what? That is f of x. Then 2 plus 1 is what? That is 3. So what you want to show? ይሄ ማለት 3f of x plus 1 over f of x plus 3 የሚለው we can compute and show it አሳየን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያ ስራችን የምናደርገው you have to express f of x as the forms it is given as it is. After obtaining this one or after this, we'll try to determine x in terms of what? f of x. ለምን እዚህ ጋር የተገለጸልን f of 2x in terms of f of x ስለሆነ it is better to find x in terms of f of x ወይም ደግሞ x in terms of f of x express ማድረግ ይኖርብናል. and we obtain this one. ይሄን አገኘን ማለት ነው። ይሄን ካገኘን በኋላ we'll rearrange it or take it as it is. እንዳለ መውሰድ ትችላላችሁ ወይም ደግሞ rearrange such forms እናደርጋለን። ያ ማለት negative of x minus 1 over f of x minus 1 means what? You have to multiply both numerator and denominator by negative 1 and it becomes this one. ይሄ ይሆናል። After obtaining this, we'll come to here. f of 2x means we substitute instead of x, we substitute 2x. So this becomes 2x minus 1 over 2x plus 1. ይሄ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። After obtaining this one, since the value that is f of 2x is expressed in terms of f of x ስለተገለጸ ይሄኛው, we substitute x by f of x plus 1 over 1 minus f of x expressed እናደርጋለን such forms. ይሄ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይሄ ከሆነ በኋላ we'll try to simplify it. Simplify ስናደርግ we have here 2y of f of x plus 2 over 1 minus f of x minus 1, the same for the case of denominator. Then finally take the LCM for this one. This is what? The difference of two rational function ሆነ this is the sum of two rational function ሆነ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ take their LCM. LCM ስንወስድ 1 minus f of x both for numerator denominator ይሆናል. After that, by rearranging and obtaining this one, we simplify we obtained what? 3 times f of x plus 1 over f of x plus 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። what you want to show ማሳየት የፈለግነው ይሄን ነው። በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ሌሎችንም ፕሮብሌሞች ሶልቭ ማድረግ ስላላችሁ ማንኛውም ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልን። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። ባይ ባይ።